Alright guys, I thought I'd just show you how to set up a website template using Illustrator this time. So I'm just going to set the width up to 850 by 600. Just click on OK for that. And we'll go to our preferences and we'll start off with the grids and guides. It's always a good idea to make sure that your grids and guides are happening every 2 pixels. And you want your units and display set to pixels first, So I want to make sure, I like to have my stroke set to pixels, my rulers, everything will be set up in pixels, and I like my type in pixels as well, and it's clear and the same across all types. The units in your guides, then I like to set that up to have every 10 pixels have a guide and a subdivision every guide. You can also choose to have your guides in front. By default it's set to back, so you could actually have the grid set in front of any of graphics that you've drawn. So I'm just going to click OK. The other thing that you might want to consider is your color settings. Once again, like I said in the Photoshop tutorial, I don't really like this setting just because it tries to match the profile. I prefer to be able to have control over it myself, so I prefer this mode. Click OK there. The other thing that I want to show you was the eyedropper tool. So I'm just going to move my stage over a little bit and say that I really like this blue. If I go out here, I can't select the blue, but if I click and hold my mouse down, you'll see, if you look in my fill color, then actually the blue that I'm hovering, where my mouse is hovering over while my mouse is held down, is changing. So there it goes, I got the green there, get the blue. So what we could do is build a swatch based on that. I'm just going to quickly delete these couple swatches from our library. And I'll delete all of those. I just held down the shift key to delete all of them. So I could do that again. Hold down the mouse, left hand side mouse, click, get my blue color, drag it into my swatches palette. Could go off and get the green as well. Could go off and get this beige color, beige yellow. Alright, and then from there I could build some of my graphics. I could go ahead and start to draw my objects on the stage if I wanted, using those swatches. Something else that you might want to also consider when you're mocking up your pages is to make sure that you use your grid. It will help you in being able to produce pixel perfect artwork. So if we go ahead and start drawing an object, you'll see that if you hold down the space bar, then you're able to zoom right in and get perfect artwork lining up to each guide there. So you can see by using the grid you can get perfect artwork to line up. Alright, so I just thought I'd show you those few quick tips when setting up Illustrator to be used on the web. Thanks for listening. Bye.